Tropical Storm Faye has formed as a 2 p.m. PST, July 9th. It is the earliest F storm in history, beating Franklin of 2005. Satellite imagery along with surface offerings have showed that the area low pressure near the coast of North Carolina will be formed closer to the deep convection east of the Outer Banks today. Air Force Reserve aircraft investigating confirmed that the center is located near the edge of the primary convection band and shows 35 to 40 knot winds. I agree, but I think it's closer to the 40 knots based on ASCAT. And they also went with that. I mean, it's located over the Gulf Stream with moderate shear. It will be moving over colder waters during the next 24 to 36 hours. Moving 360 by 6 knots. I think it's going to remain offshore. And I agree with the NHC when it comes to. I actually think it's going to be on the eastern side. It's going to remain offshore until probably it's just going to move just to the east of the New Jersey into Cape Cod. But that's my thinking. But some models want to take it more westward. The NHC takes up to 45 knots in 12 hours and makes landfall as that. Here's the hurricane models. This is about what I think. I mean, moved in to Long Island, and then I think a little bit further to the west of this consensus and to the Cape. That's what I think. I agree with the 45 knots, which is supported by the hurricane models. As for Katrina, it's nearly a hurricane. It's right there. CDO, they went with 60 knots. I kind of agree. It has quite made it, but it had maybe another 24 hours over warm enough waters. And that's what the ANC thinks. And then it starts weakening. Well, that's your tropical update as of this afternoon.